So hopefully you've read the first little bit of that page above this video that says or asks you to think about the idea of a factor, the factors of 20, for example. This little video is going to be to help you organize your thinking around the idea of what is a factor. So what is a factor? When you think about the factors of 20, maybe you thought of this, we think about the whole numbers, the numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Why are they factors? Because 20 is 1 times 20. So 1 and 20 are factors of 20, we say. Or 2 and 10 are factors of 20 because the product of 2 times 10 is 20, 4 times 5, etc. But these are the whole number factors. There are also non-whole number factors. There are numbers that you can multiply to obtain 20 that are not whole numbers. There's infinitely many. So just to think about that, I'm going to have you jump to this Desmos link and play around for a little bit. So here's the play around a little bit. So I've focused on 20 as the number here, but what I want you to see here are all the factors that can of two numbers that multiply to give you 20. Like look at this. 1.6129 multiplied by 12.4 will give you 20. So all of these ordered pairs, notice, output a 20 for these different inputs that are the factors of 20. Now, I can also get you the nice whole number ones like you saw before. 2 times 10 is 20. Or, oops, too far. Or, man, I tell you what, there you go. Or 4 times 5 is 20. But check this out. There's all kinds of numbers that multiply to give you 20. How about negative 9.4 times negative 2.12766? Would also give you, probably rounded off, but get you close to 20. A negative times a negative is a positive. So the point of this, the thing I want your brain thinking about for the rest of this lesson is how do we think about factors? Factors, numbers that multiply together to give you a given number. Now, I can change this to any number. Let's say we want factors of 30. And now I can play around with factors of 30. All of these numbers, like 1.76471 times 17 must be 30 because of how I set up decimals. Well, there's an easy one. 3 times 10 is 30. So we're now seeing all the factors of 30. I mean, not all, literally all, but you can imagine I can slide this slider around and give you any two numbers that will multiply to give 30 or any other number that I like. I'm going to pause there before we move on to the next idea.